Mr. Spencer. I know it's been a long time. Don't get me started. I'll explain. But it's Mother's Day weekend. I'm here with my husband and we decided to just have a nice calm boat ride out on Lake Wylie. So come along with us. The weather was beautiful on Lake Wylie. Mother's Day weekend. There was rain in the forecast, but it held off. And we took a 3-hour boat tour. And I'll tell you more about the company that we used in a little bit. But you can see here, people have brought their canoes and there was some camping. Now, right now we're coming up on Papa Doc's Seafood Restaurant. This is the only place to eat on Lake Wylie, you know, where you can float up, dock your boat, have a bite, and then get back on the lake. Our captain put his foot on the gas and we were just flying. It felt so great. Like I said, the weather was beautiful. It was just a really relaxed, chill vibe. We were feeling it. We were feeling Lake Wylie. And there were different spots along the lake where people could stop and have a swim. There were a lot of families and tours just hanging out. And the Labrador is just too picturesque. Like, isn't it? Look how picture perfect that looks. Oh my God, children! Babies out here! I couldn't believe my eyes. It looked like 2 little kids on the back of this thing. I'm sure they were safe though. If you want to know more about Crown and Anchor boat tours on Lake Wylie, then be sure to check out my blog post. It'll be linked below on 80mileperhourmom.com. I'm telling you, I'm going to just go into a full review so you can know everything there is to know before you take your tour. Trying to get some sweet pictures. I'm terrified I'm gonna go overboard. I like on Instagram when I see people spread out. One of my favorite things about Lake Wylie was seeing these beautiful lake houses, and there aren't a lot of these properties available. So if you know you want a lake house and you're thinking about Lake Wylie and you see one of these properties on the market, you should just go ahead and snag it up because they're very rare to go on sale. And that one appears to have, I guess, its own private little beach. So now I want to show you the cabin. We were able to retreat down here when there was a light sprinkle. Like I said, the weather held out, but it was a light sprinkle. So we came down here and just got into this cozy space. It was well decorated. It felt very comfortable and clean and cozy.
Oh my God, baby, what if I go overboard? Are you gonna save me?
I have to, right?
Absolutely have to.
I shall be there.
So Chris was our captain, and that's what I loved about this tour. The fact that I didn't have to, you know, worry about my husband driving the boat. We were able to enjoy each other's company because we actually had a captain on our boat. And this was the boat. So you can call up Chris and he will take you for a lovely tour around Lake Wylie. So for a 3-hour tour, you're going to want to have your refreshments. My drink of choice is this Cali Rosé. It's very lightweight because just 2 sips and your girl is feeling nice. And just a little bite to eat. I brought the fruit and the charcuterie mix up, or you could just request a stop at Papa Doc's and have some seafood and enjoy that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun things to do in the Charlotte area and in South Carolina. We do a lot of family things. We go to restaurants. I also do things with just me and my husband, so there's stuff for couples that I think you'll enjoy. I haven't posted a video since January, and that's because I've been very busy with blogging and writing for my new website, 80 Mile Per Hour Mom. It's doing really well. The last video that I posted, I also added that to my blog post on Great Wolf Lodge, and it just exploded and turned me into a nano influencer. So I'm feeling super blessed and grateful that I was able to make money from home as a stay-at-home mom. See you next time. Bye.